Rendering images works a little bit different than rendering video. Go to Render, Render Image. Note F12 is the keyboard shortcut. If you're in Cycles Render, this may take a little bit. Just keep an eye in the upper left-hand corner so you can see how many samples have been done so far. It will render whatever frame you're on. It's finishing up, removing some of the noise, and then we'll be ready to save the picture. There we go. So Image, Save As, and make sure you're in your Output folder. Remember to give it a good name, and please change this to RGBA. That's going to give us a transparent background instead of a black background. 260305, this would be Emily's. To identify it, and put your name at the end. Now this is the full version, so it really helps a lot if you insert a word there for the full, the top, the side, the detail, whatever that image is. And please turn this one in first so that we can really see the model right off the bat.